I'm Bob, a DIY enthusiast. Since childhood, I have always loved the smell of wood. I am inspired by its aroma and texture. I use this material a lot in my handicrafts. My wife loves unusual lamps, and I'm preparing a little surprise for her. I use several tools in my work, including the Goxawee Rotary tool. It is packed in a solid carrying case, is easy to carry everywhere, and has a big collection of well-organized accessories. In addition to wood, I use glass, metal, and plastic in my work. Each material is unique and requires a special approach. This rotary tool makes it easy to work with all of them. I can conveniently handle all of my DIY tasks, including cutting, drilling, carving, sanding, and polishing. It makes me very happy. I hope my wife will like my gift. Why don't you make a unique gift for the one you love with this rotary tool?
Engraving into glass seems like a fairly difficult task. However, with a Win rotary tool and a Win engraver, it's actually quite easy. As you probably already noticed, this is a video of me engraving a dog's face into a glass plate. Keep in mind this does not take any talent or skill. If it did, I probably could not do it. It's a great project for Boy Scouts or art classes, plus the plate can be a very thoughtful gift for Mama or Uncle Jimmy. For the dog plate, I only used the Win rotary tool, taking advantage of the included flex shaft, plus a round-tipped steel bit for the engraving. I first printed out a picture of a dog and then taped it face down to the glass plate. Make sure to tape the design onto the top of the plate facing downwards. That way all engraving occurs on the bottom of the plate. Then go ahead and start carving. The Win engraver works nicely to make a deep pathway if you have something with a distinctively thick outline, like this penguin that's waving hello. Yo, what's up, penguin? Once you have a deep groove created with the engraver, you can use the rotary tool to deburr the edges so it's nice and smooth. If you're going to try this at home, make sure to wear safety goggles and a dust mask, as the small glass filings are potentially dangerous to your eyes and lungs. Okay, let's check this thing out. And there you have it, a dog's face on a plate, just like I promised you. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my second time doing this, so if I can do it, you can too. Man, that's a good looking dog.
Remember when?
My tools are an extension of myself. And when I look to the Dremel 4300, I like the way it feels in my hand. I can easily control it.
It's a very versatile tool, allows me to go into the finest little edges.
I'm able to use the Dremel as a drawing tool. It's very easy to use. I'm John Hook.
I'm Martha Carre.
I'm Joe Beam, and I'm a maker.
Dremel, make more.